In this video, we will cover the Infield calibration procedure for granular application on the InCommand displays. This procedure is used when the actual amount of product applied does not reflect the amount calculated by the display. This issue could be caused by incorrect product density or weight values. By determining the actual weight of the product, the calibration process adjusts the display's calculated value so the appropriate amount of product will be applied once again. Before we begin the calibration process, we need to start off with a new region in the event. This will let us accurately determine the actual weight of applied product. To create a new region, tap the menu button in the upper left, then tap Region. Tap the green plus to create a new region. You can rename the region if you'd like by tapping the keyboard icon. Tap the green check. After a new region is created, fill the spreader bin with product and weigh the spreader when it is full, then apply the product as usual. Once the bin is empty or near empty, weigh the spreader again and subtract the empty spreader weight from the loaded weight to determine the actual weight of the product that was dispensed. Once the actual weight has been determined, tap the spreader control settings on the mapping screen. From here, tap Infield Calibration at the bottom. This will begin the calibration wizard. Select the channel that is being calibrated. Tap the right arrow to continue. Here you will see the accumulated weight for the region as calculated by the display and a field where you can enter the actual weight you measured with the scale. Tap the keypad to enter the actual weight, then tap the right arrow. The final screen will confirm that the calibration is complete and present the adjusted calibration value in cubic feet per revolution. Tap the green check to complete. This same calibration process should be completed for each additional spreader channel. Now you will be able to perform an in-field calibration for granular application to ensure you are applying the right amount of product with your InCommand display. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.